the Girls Inc. Summer Camp.
Welcome to our show.
I like just being able to sleep in.
Same. Same.
I get to spend more time with my friends, and I get to do more stuff that I wouldn't be able to do if it wasn't summer. So
I like about summer that I get to come to Girls Inc. and see all my friends and all my besties that I do not get to see at all.
What I enjoy about summer is that you could go places that you normally can't go during school time.
I finally get to swim. I never get to swim in any other season, only summer.
Slumber. I'm looking forward to the summer trip at the end, like the shipwreck trip at the end of the summer.
Musician. Something I've been doing for the past 5 years, maybe playing music a lot.
An interior decoration, whatever that's called. Interior
designer.
Yeah.
I want to be a lawyer because I'm getting paid to argue for money.
like a baker, maybe something important. I think.
I want to do either law, or marine biology.
I'm not really sure. My options always change, so I'm not really sure right now.
I want to be a nail tech and a hairstylist.
I haven't really thought about much of what I wanted to do, but I was thinking of some type of babysit-ish. I want to take care of younger kids and stuff like that.
Probably marine biologist. An artist.
Just seeing everybody.
The free food.
Learning about nursery.
Swimming and watching Creeped Out around snack time. That's always fun.
Seeing my friends, and
I liked I like doing whenever you had the babies and you got to swaddle them.
My favorite part of camp is probably just being here and getting to do all these activities and stuff.
I like pushing the buttons on the other side of the room. It made a funny click sound.
My favorite part is probably how we get to do different experience that we probably don't get to do in any other place.
My favorite part about the camp is the food. It's really good.
I like how we did multiple different types of tours and stuff. It was really interesting.
Probably the walk.
Probably making the butter and stuff. Doing the 3D printing.
Thanks for watching. See you next year.